Hello everyone, in this video I'll explain how to trade on the Forex market using our mobile phone. I've specifically invited someone who doesn't know anything about this at all, and now I'm going to show how to do it, step by step. And as they say, my person here will be watching and absorbing this knowledge. So look, in order to trade on the Forex market you need a broker. There are tens of thousands of brokers out there, but there are only a few reliable brokers that I have personally tested and that I trade with myself. Under this video, there is a link and a description where you can follow the link and get to the exact broker you need. Today, I will be talking about a broker called FxPro. This is an international broker with a huge number of licenses. And with the help of this broker, we will now enter the Forex market, open a trading account, fund this broker, and open our first trade. Or rather, you will try to open this trade so that everyone can see how easy and simple it is. Right now, I am in this broker's menu, but you of course need to go through registration and sign up. The complete instructions are available in a separate video of mine. Right now we won't go into details. So watch, follow along, and do everything step by step. At the moment, I am in the FxPro broker's dashboard. First of all, I need to open a trading account. If you want to change the language, because in this video I'm showing everything in English, you can change it to any country you like. Go to the top left and select the different option below. Here we have the settings. And then scroll down, here's the language option, so you can choose absolutely any language that suits you. I'll tell you how to open a trading account with this broker. Here is the main menu. We need to work specifically in this window, and there is a button to create an account. Select Create Account. We have three types of trading accounts. There is a standard account, and there is FxPro, Rev+. This is a more profitable option, but the minimum deposit here is $50. And there is an additional FxPro Elite. This is the biggest, let's say, premium account with a minimum deposit starting from $10,000. But we won't be considering it right now. We'll take the most standard and the most profitable option. That's FxPro Rev+. So here I choose Continue. Next, an additional menu opens where I can choose the account currency. That is, if we're trading in dollars, then we just leave it as it is here. And on the right we have leverage, which is the credit leverage. I'll go with the standard 1 to 1000. Next we scroll down. Here we can see what type of account there is. Nothing or hedging. I leave it on hedging, and then I check the box in order to... An additional field appeared where I will enter my password to save this trading account. So I enter the password, and after that I select Create Account. Look, we've moved to the main menu, and here we can see the trading account that we just created. Let's call it by the last digits, 070. Next, we need to fund this broker account. To do this, we go up and there's a deposit button. I select it. Now the broker will offer us deposit options. There are local cards and there is cryptocurrency. I always recommend everyone to use cryptocurrency because no matter where you are, it's the fastest and I believe the safest way to deposit. So I choose USDT and click Continue. Next, a menu opens where we need to select the crypto network for trading. It's important that when you choose, you remember which one you selected. So I choose TRC20, wallet address. This is very important. Here, you need to remember both the trading network and the wallet address. Let's go to the wallet address. We simply copy it. The broker shows us where we need to transfer our funds in order to top up this account. So I go straight to the exchange. I use the Bybit exchange. I will also leave registration links for this exchange. So let's go to the exchange. Go to Assets. I select Withdraw. I choose Crypto Withdrawal. I select the currency I use and the top tab. Here, a window opens where we will make the transfer. This address is exactly the one we copy, the one provided by the broker. Next, we specify the network. As you remember, our network was TRC20. Then we enter the amount. Since our trading account has a minimum amount of $50, I enter $50. And I take into account that here the broker will charge a $1 fee. That's it says at the bottom. The recipient will receive exactly $50, so I click Withdraw, then click Confirm. Next, you need to enter our security passwords, so we request the code.
To trade with a broker on Forex. With a broker or on Forex?
Yes, on Forex.
In order to trade on Forex, I need a broker.
Yeah, and
all the brokers are available via the link in the description.
That is correct, right?
At this point in the process, you will need to navigate over to the official website of FxPro and simply open your own personal account.
Yes, first of all, you need to complete verification.
Complete verification.
Complete
Open.
a trading account.
Fund it.
Yes, using cryptocurrency. Yes, everything is set. It turned red. 5 minutes time. It takes 5 minutes, and to check if the money has arrived, we are now on the broker's platform. And here at the top, there's the My Wallet section, and we see that $50 have been credited. Now, from our internal wallet with this broker, we need to fund the specific trading account where we will be trading. But since we just opened a trading account last time, that's the one we'll fund. To do this, we select Transfer. And here, from the list of trading accounts, we select exactly the one we need down at the bottom. And here I enter the amount, $50. We scroll down. The trading account has been activated. We go here to the 3 dots next to the trading account and select Account Information. So now this information down here is important for us because we're about to install the application. It's called MetaTrader 5. This application will allow us to open trading positions. I already have this app downloaded, so I'm opening it. I select this plus sign and I just need to enter the name of the broker we're trading with. I enter FxPro. Here it is, FxPro is listed. Now we have this additional menu where we need to enter the server, login and password. The server is listed as FxPro MT502. Let's check. Here, the server FxPro MT502 is specified. Next, we have the login here. We copy and paste this login right here. Next, here's the password. When we created the trading account, we came up with a password, so now we enter that password. And we click the button, there our balance has loaded. Here is our trading terminal where we can select any currency pair. At the bottom left, go to quotes. Here is the search bar, choose what we need, for example, euro dollar. We select euro dollar, check the box, go back, and here is our euro dollar. We highlight it, select the chart, and the trading chart loads, where we can analyze the situation. At the top left, choose the time frame, for example, the hourly time frame. We see how the chart moves and can simply move it left or right. Let's say we see that the situation suggests that the price is likely to rise, so I'll show you how to open a trade for an hour. At the top right, we can select this little square, and 2 buttons will appear, buy and sell. An important point, right here in the center, is the lot size. So if you're a beginner, I recommend, well, since you're a beginner, I really recommend you use it. 0.01 lots. Just like we have set right now. So look, we click the buy button at the top right. Here we accept the terms of the agreement. We open it again. And our trade, here it is, has been placed, right on the chart itself. If you zoom in and take a look.
In blue.
Yes, there's a dotted line. That means that our price right now, it's set to buy, so if the chart starts to rise, we'll start making a profit accordingly. You see, our trading candle is moving up, just where we want it to go. We can go into the trade and check, but right now we're at the break-even level. So right now I'm just showing you, demonstrating how to do it. In order not to lose our deposit, we need to follow risk management, set a stop loss and set a take profit. First of all, we need to make sure that our trade is protected with a stop loss. So we click on this dotted line and at the bottom, a menu pops up where we can set a stop loss and take profit. The red one is the stop loss. Here it has just appeared for us. We grab it with our finger, hold it, and can drag it down to the level we want. So, for example, we want to set it here, right at the minimum. On one side we have a minimum, and on the other side, another minimum. We can define it as the boundary of our support, so I believe that placing the stop loss here is conditionally correct. I choose it like this. I've confirmed it. That is, I dragged it and confirmed it. And now we need to set a take profit, so that, for example, we can go about our business. And in this current situation, we assume that this trade will start to rise. And if, for example, when this line is crossed like this, I think it will start to update this high, we need to understand that the trade should be at least 1 to 2. That is our loss, meaning from this trade we can earn twice as much as we risk losing once. This means that even if our trade success rate is 50%, we will still be in profit. That's why I chose the green line, right at this level. And now I want to lock it in, I select the arrow and click Edit. We can go about our business. We know that if the trade goes the wrong way, we'll simply close at the stop loss. To close this trade, we can go to the trading section. Just use your finger and swipe to the left. and there's an orange close button. That's it, our trade will be closed. So we've made this kind of tutorial video where we showed you how to start trading on the Forex market using your mobile phone. Did you understand anything from what I showed? Yes.
I understood and I would like to try it myself.
You know, of course, where you can find the registration links below this video. Register, follow our steps, and earn together with us.